This is a travel adapter plug we were sent from Trond and just used it on our trip to Iceland. It was perfection. This is type C with the round prongs. Check the product listing to make sure you buy the right one for the country you're going to. It is just one type. It's not one that you can swap out. It's not universal. It's got three prong inputs on each side and the top. And then on the front, it's got two USB plugs, the standard type. So that's 5 different things you can have plugged in at once. Depending on the type of cords you have, you may need further adapters, such as this dongle we love. So this will take a USB-C and transfer it to a USB-A, which you can plug in here. Boom. Then you'll be able to plug in a USB-C plug right here. And then you can also bring plugs like this that will plug in here. And then you can use a different kind of plug here. This on its own is very handy for, like I said, 5 devices can plug in here. And then depending on what kind of plugs and cords you have, get you some extra adapters to plug in as well. It's nice and compact, very lightweight. The plug part does not fold and it does not come out. It is just one, it's not universal. So it's just the type C. Very important to keep in mind, this does not convert the voltage or anything like that. It is simply a plug adapter. So you want to like double and triple check all of the things you're going to plug in here and that the voltage listed on your plug or your device is matching the location where you're going. Most plugs and most devices such as phones and tablets and stuff, most of those are like 110 to 240 and are gonna work just fine in America and Canada and Europe or whatever, usually. But some devices like hair dryers and radios, sound machines, stuff like that generally are not that diverse, and this will not convert. So you're very likely gonna destroy your unit or start a fire if you're not careful. So double check anything that you're plugging in that it's gonna work in the location where this is gonna be plugged in, because this will not convert the voltage. We love this one from Trond. It really helped us out to be charging our phones and tablets and everything while we were in Iceland. Love it, love it, love it, and I know you will too.